And let's talk about the top three things that people are doing without realizing that are super damaging to their brains and nervous system.
Yeah, absolutely. One of them is a blood sugar imbalance. Eating these high carb diets just chews up their brain. So we know that Alzheimer's disease, for example, is considered type 3 diabetes, meaning that it's marked by insulin resistance. And so, in a sense, it's like diabetes in your brain. Your brain can't respond to sugar. And that's because of long term eating foods that cause a massive spike in blood sugar, causing a massive increase in this hormone insulin, increasing inflammation in the brain, and then blood sugar drops. And so we need to have a good low carb, high fat diet will help keep blood sugar very, very stable. So coming off of those carbohydrate rich foods, that's one big thing. Okay. A lot of people think that they need the carbs for healthy brain function, but you don't. You want the fats instead. So that's important. Another one would be drinking city water. You know, we're told in our society to drink a lot of water, and I'm a huge fan of super hydrating the body. But if we're drinking tap water, like I was when I was a personal trainer, I was drinking tons and tons of tap water just from the water filter at my gym, or the water fountain, I should say. Drinking tons of city water. That's loaded with chlorine, which damages our gut microbiome, fluoride, which is neurotoxic, as well as heavy metals and disinfectant byproducts and all kinds of toxic stuff that damage the brain. So we got to avoid that. And then last but not least, we'll talk about sleep. You know, a lot of people are going to bed late, okay, and their circadian rhythms are all out of whack. They're really not sleeping well, and they're on things like computers and other electronic devices late into the evenings. That's suppressing. They're getting blue light exposure into their retina. That's decreasing their ability to produce melatonin. Melatonin is so key for cleaning up the brain, as well as increasing the strength and potency of the immune system to help kill off cancer cells, as well as regulating the gut microbiome. Believe it or not, a lot of research coming out on melatonin regulating the gut microbiome. So when your sleep is off, because we're all addicted to electronics and we've got these computers and cell phones and TVs on late at night and we have poor sleep habits, we're damaging our brain. People with poor sleep habits significantly increased risk of dementia, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. So, got to get our sleep right, our nutrition right, get our thought life right, and drink the right water. It's also so critical.